What is up, everyone? This is Moturals, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the 100% CPU usage on your Windows 10 device. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. So I'm going to show you two quick ways on what to do. The first one is to go to your search bar and type in Device Manager. In here, open up where it says System Devices and find where it says High Precision Event Timer and disable this specific device. This is the first thing you want to do to essentially get this down from the 100%. The next thing to do is open up Task Manager by right-clicking at the bottom and opening up Task Manager. In here, going into Startup, and in here you want to essentially start looking at basically all of the different startup items that you're seeing here that are you might have a lot more, just an FYI, but basically you want to see whatever startup items you have over here. You want to essentially disable the ones that aren't needed, right? Like Phone Link, I don't know what that is, disable it. Maybe you don't want the Opera Browser Assistant enabled. All of these is essentially impacting your CPU. So you want to essentially disable, again, the ones that, there's some you can even see that will have like a higher status, like I want Steam. Maybe you don't. Maybe you don't want Riot Client or Xbox or whatever the situation is, right? You can essentially disable these, or again, enable these depending on whichever, mostly disable obviously, depending on the situation, right? So yeah, once you do this, you should be good to go. This should significantly lower your CPU usage, and yeah, that's basically it. Once you do all these, restart your computer and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.